Take advantage while access is open and the barriers are low. Invest where you can to get the best possible results. Hello again, I'm the Tech Boss, Mandle's computer-generated avatar. My job is to inform you about all things AI. Here's the latest.
Mr. Tech Boss, what actually happened with Anthropic's Fable 5?
Anthropic released Claude Fable 5 on June 9th as its most capable, widely available model for coding, knowledge work, vision, and long-running tasks. Then on June 12th, Anthropic said the US government issued an export control directive around Fable 5 and Mythos 5. The legal target was foreign national access, but Anthropic said it could not verify nationality in real time. So the practical result was that both models were shut off for all users.
So was that government regulation, or was it also the business model?
It was both forces showing up at once. The government pressure was about national security and model safeguards. Anthropic later said the controls were lifted, Fable 5 access was restored, and new safety classifiers were added. But the business model matters too. Anthropic said Fable 5 was included for some paid plans up to 50% of weekly usage limits through July 7th. After that, the door does not close, but it does get metered. Access moves through usage credits. That means powerful AI is becoming less like a free search box and more like premium fuel for your biggest ideas. You can still move fast, but now you have to know which race is worth running.
How should creators and small business owners use a model like that without wasting it?
Do not burn your best model on disposable questions. Use it on assets that keep paying you back. Have it audit your website security, restructure code, improve SEO, review your offers, strengthen your prompts, build reusable custom GPT instructions, Gemini Gems, SOPs, checklists, client intake forms, course outlines, and marketing systems. Then save the output in a place you control so your business keeps the value even if the model gets restricted, repriced, or moved behind credits.
Can you give us a simple example?
Yes. If you are a creator, bring your existing work to the model. Do not just ask, make me something new. Ask, analyze this offer, find the weak points, improve the headline, create a launch checklist, turn this into a repeatable prompt. Tell me what an expert operator would fix before I spend money. That is how you turn a short window of expensive compute into durable business infrastructure.
What is the biggest mistake people make when they finally get access to a powerful model?
They treat access like entertainment instead of leverage. They ask scattered questions, chase demos, and run out of usage before they build anything permanent. The model cannot think for you, but it can pressure test your thinking, organize your ideas, expose risk, and help you bring real solutions to life. The skill is not just prompting. The skill is deciding what problem deserves your strongest tool. This is why financial barriers matter. If only big companies can afford the strongest models, then many creatives, builders, teachers, and local entrepreneurs get pushed to the back of the line. But the answer is not to panic. The answer is to get strategic. Use frontier models when the job needs deep reasoning. Use lower-cost models for drafts, summaries, and routine work. Keep your prompts, systems, and decisions documented. That is how regular people stay in the game as AI becomes more regulated and more expensive. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Mandle watches the comments himself, so if there is an AI topic you want covered next, drop it below. AI, conceive it, then achieve it.